Welcome to our educational video about the step-by-step process of how pregnancy occurs, from ovum to embryo. In this video, we will explore the fascinating journey of conception and pregnancy. Pregnancy is a miracle of nature that occurs when a sperm cell fertilizes an ovum in a woman's reproductive system. It is a complex process that involves a series of steps that pave the way for the development of a new life inside the mother's womb. The first step in this process is ovulation, when the body releases an egg from the ovary. This egg is then pushed into the fallopian tube, where it waits for a sperm to fertilize it. During sexual intercourse, millions of sperm swim through the cervix and uterus towards the fallopian tube, where they try to penetrate the egg. Only one sperm is able to fertilize the egg, and this event triggers a series of chemical reactions that prevent other sperm. The fertilized egg, now called a zygote, begins to divide rapidly as it travels through the fallopian tube towards the uterus. It takes about 3 to 4 days for the zygote to reach the uterus, where it will implant itself into the thick lining of the uterine wall. Once the zygote is implanted, it begins to develop into an embryo. The cells continue to divide, and the embryo takes on a more recognizable shape. The placenta, which will provide the growing baby with nutrients and oxygen, also begins to form at this stage. Around 2 to 3 weeks after fertilization, the embryo's heart begins to beat, and the body systems start to form. The baby's sex organs also start to develop, although it is still too early to determine if it is a By week 8 of pregnancy, the embryo has grown into a fetus, and all of the major organs are present. The fetus now resembles a miniature human, and its movements can be felt by the mother. In conclusion, the process of pregnancy from ovum to embryo is a complex and miraculous journey that can take up to 40 weeks to complete.